Good afternoon, my name is Tom Brinsonoff. I'm a certified master mechanic from Reading, Pennsylvania, and today I'm going to talk about how to protect your car's paint. There's a few steps you can take throughout the years when you own your car, how to protect your paint. The biggest thing you can remember is at least once or twice a year is to clean and wax your vehicle. But in between, after washing your vehicle, you can stop at any local parts store and pick up what they call minute wax, quick wax, any kind of real light wax. I have some already pre-mixed in here, but what you want to do is just spray a light coat on your vehicle here and just wipe it in. These quick waxes you can usually do relatively pretty easy, about 15-20 minutes, maybe half an hour. You can actually coat your whole vehicle. Just wipe it down, flip it over, and as you see, it takes a good amount of what dirt's left. Just go back over it. You'll be able to see in the light any bit that's left over here. Just wipe it down real good. Make sure you get all your little streaks out of it. But after you get it all wiped off, you should have a nice, smooth, shiny surface. That's the easiest thing you can do when you're trying to protect your paint, is keep a good amount of wax on top of it. Keep it washed. Keep it nice and clean. And every so often, like every 2 to 3 months, if you get a chance to, just go back over with a set of quick wax. It keeps the bugs from sticking to your paint. The only other thing you do is to protect your nose is to get a bra for the front, for all the stones and chips and stuff to get kicked up and nicks your paint up here in the front. But other than that, that's the best thing you do to protect your car's paint.